Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making Tanuki Soba, hot soba noodles in soup with Tenkasu fried tempura batter bits. It is a soba dish with a pretty simple topping, but Tenkasu gives the dish richer flavor. These are the ingredients. We will make a homemade Tenkasu topping with flour and water. Dashi is the broth for the soup. Please check out our how to make dashi video if you are not familiar with it. For more information and complete recipe, please visit our website japanesecooking101.com. It's very easy to make. Chop green onions and set aside. Now we are making tenkasu. Mix the all-purpose flour and water in a bowl. Drop the batter with a brush or chopsticks in deep frying oil at medium heat, about 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Like that. And scoop out fried batter when it starts floating on the surface and browning. And set on a paper towel. We are now making the soup. Heat dashi to a boil and add salt, soy sauce, mirin, and sake. Stir and keep it warm. Next, cook dried soba noodles according to the package. Strain and add cooked soba to the hot soup. And let it simmer for about a minute. Don't overcook. Immediately divide noodles and soup into bowls. Top with cooked fried tenkasu and chopped green onion. Add shichimi red hot pepper if you like. We made homemade tenkasu fried bits ourselves, but it can easily be bought at Japanese supermarkets. This is so easy to make and scrumptious.
美味しい。美味しいね。